DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
DJM TV.
Space neighbor, this way follow it, go away. Follow it. Sorry, what's up? Yassa. Faith, Yassa.
We've been in Nigeria. It has never happened in the history of this country that people outside of war, during the war, people who were just sitting down and protesting peacefully were mowed down by Nigerian soldiers. So I was, the gory side made me sick, so I couldn't get to court on time. I was on my way to court, and I was told that the federal government curiously wanted my bail to be revoked. So they came to make the agreement that I should be arrested. Meanwhile, I've been under a lot of threats since the protest started to send their people to threaten me, and I told them that no threat can deter us at this point. This is what I'm telling Nigerians, that the country is due for a revolution. And now you know better, right? People were abusing me, arguing with me that you don't need a revolution, you just need to end SARS. Now you know that it's more than SARS. It's a virus. And but I want to ask for unity among the oppressed. All these young people, I feel very sad about what happened. My heart is broken, and I don't want to say too much other than that at this time. It is time for the elders in this country to also rise, because the youth have taken it to a level. It is time for us to have a turning point, because for the South African apartheid struggle, the Sharpeville massacre in 1960 was a turning point. And this should be the turning point for our revolutionary struggle to end all forms of oppression. I said it yesterday on my Twitter page when they imposed curfew that protest against oppression is essential services. So people should stay at their duty post, and they did that. And now look at what they have done to innocent people. And this is also to tell people who think that because you are not aggressive, because the government will not kill you. Look at what they have done to some of the. This is some of the best, well-organized protests Nigeria has ever experienced. Well behaved, but they started by introducing and refusing thugs, their own thugs. They are roaming Abuja as we speak, randomly beating people, burning cars. They want to turn it into an ethnic war. They want to turn it into a South versus North issue. But I have Northerners behind me here, right? Yes, I have Southerners behind me here. They don't ask me where I come from. Yes, they have middle girls. So it's not the South versus North. In fact, for those who might be making a mistake, who are the people who colluded in Lagos? Southerners, Southwestern. I said it also that when this struggle evolves, they will find out who the real beasts are, and they will be surprised that some of them are based in the south. The Lagos state government was aware of what happened. He even said it that hoodlums are taking over the toll gates. Who is a hoodlum? All those great DJs, bankers, all those guys who are, some of them are millionaires who live in Lekki. Are they the ones who are hoodlums? So they have prepared the ground to spill blood and to tell Nigerians that, you know, it doesn't matter where they come from, bad people are bad people. Whether they come from the north, they come from the south, the east, or the south-south, the middle belt, bad people are bad people, and we must confront them and make sure we liberate our country. Thank you so much.
Man.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Não fume, não trete. Não tô vendo. Não vai fumar, bota o papo. É, vem cá agora pra botar o papo.
Abga. Yeah. Official,
Fakes, right?
Thank you.
Jibo.
Okay. But are you still in town?
You should come to the shop. Okay. Come Hey, yeah,
Now.
Solution now.
DJM TV.